Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.